Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile guys face lock setup setting, how to set up face lock in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to set up face lock in your Oppo phone device, so how to set up face lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to set face lock. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here password setting. After on password setting, friends, click here add face setting and continue. Add face, continue, and friends, select your password type first of all. Friends, I will use 4-digit password 1 2 3 4, and friends, remember your password. Don't do any mistake friends. Wait here. Continue. Show your face friends. After show face, friends, click here done option and friends come back. Friends, lock your Oppo phone screen. Friends, you want to unlock your Oppo mobile. Show your face on lock screen, and guys face lock not show. Friends, you can see lock screen. You have any problem? So again open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, click here password setting, face lock setting. After enter face lock password, friends, click here use face 4 setting and on your screen unlock setting. After on screen unlock setting, friends, now you can use face lock without any problem. Show your face on lock screen, guys, phone will unlock automatic. Swipe here, phone unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can set face lock on your lock screen, and friends, draw your device pattern, enter your device pin, and you can unlock your Oppo mobile. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting, we can set up face lock in Oppo mobile. And friends, you don't want to use face lock, friends, you want to remove face lock data, so open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, click here password and biometric setting. After on password biometric setting, friends, you can see face lock setting, click here, enter your password. After enter password, friends, you can see use face 4 setting. If you click, friends, you want to use face lock on your app lock, so you can on from here. Private save password setting, friends, you want to use face lock, so you can set face lock from here. Friends, click here face lock data delete setting, so you can delete face lock from here. And friends, if you remove your lock screen password, if you delete your lock screen password, turn off password, friends, you can see face lock automatic delete. Enter password, face lock and lock screen password delete. And friends, you cannot use Oppo mobile face lock screen password. You want to use face lock, continue, set first lock screen password, then you can start face lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.